It was the blessed month of Ramadan, and the last 10 nights had begun. A little boy named Ayan was looking at the moon through his window and asked his mother why these nights were so special.
Everything will be all right.
His mother
Promise?
gently explained
promise,
that
I'm right
among
here
these
with you.
nights there is a very blessed night called Laylat al-Qadr, and worship on that night is better than 1,000
My son,
months.
look at the moon. Its glow is
Ayan
a
was
blessing.
amazed
It guides
and
us and
asked
fills our
which
hearts
night
with
it
peace.
was. His mother
I
smiled
have a secret
and told
for you.
him that
It is
Allah
filled
has
with
hidden this
blessings.
special night
Always remember
within the
this.
last 10 nights of Ramadan, so that people pray and remember Allah every night. That night, Ayan sat on his small prayer mat and made a sincere
Allah,
dua,
bless my
asking
family.
Allah to make him a good child. The sky was full of shining stars, and the night felt peaceful. In the morning, Ayan
Mama,
asked
why
if
are
the
the
previous
lanterns still
night was
They
glowing?
Laylat
remind us of the
al-Qadr,
light of faith,
and his
my dear.
mother lovingly
that.
replied that it might have been, or it might still be coming, which is why we should pray and make dua on every night of Ramadan.